Atmosphere around us is purified by divine power. Atmosphere around us is purified by divine power. Atmosphere around us is purified by divine power. The divine energy descends upon us. We all are purified and blessed. The divine energy descends upon us. We all are purified and blessed. The divine energy descends upon us. We all are purified and blessed.
Always the divine power will protect you, guide you in all your activities, day and night, in all places.
Salutations to Mother, salutations to Father, salutations to Guru. Now we are starting Panchabhuta and Navagraha meditation. 5 elements and 9 planets. Panchabhutas are solid, liquid, heat, air, energy. The solid is earth. As a significance of the earth, we are taking the whole earth globe for our meditation. Just think of the whole earth globe. It is a huge ball having 24,000 miles circumference. It is constituted with mud, metals and chemicals. It is rotating itself once a day and encircles the sun at the speed of 70,000 miles per hour. We expand our mind and respect the value and greatness of the earth. We become one with the energy of the earth and get life linked. We will know the secret of the earth in the evolutionary process of nature. We will be protected by the earth and from the earth in all our activities, day and night, in all places. We will know the art of utilizing the earth in better and beneficial ways. We do meditate over the element earth. Start meditation on the element water. Water is the 4th principle in the evolution process of nature. Water is surrounding the whole earth, 72% of the area of the surface. We call it as ocean. We will understand the existence of the water and the cloud, plant life in all living beings. We expand our mind and respect the greatness and value of water. We become one with the energy of the water and get life link. We will know the secret of the water in the evolutionary process of nature. We will be protected by the water and from the water in all our activities, day and night in all places. We will know the science of utilizing the water in better and beneficial ways. We do meditate over the element water. We start meditation over the element fire. In the middle of that, by the conjunction of all elements, heavier elements, always huge fire is going on continuously. The heat of the fire spreads to the whole surface of the earth. That helps the survival of all living beings. We expand our mind and respect the value and greatness of fire. We will get lifeline with the energy of the fire. We will know the secret of the fire in the evolutionary process of nature. We will be protected by the fire and from the fire in all our activities, day and night, in all places. We will know the art of utilizing the fire in better and beneficial ways. We do meditate over the element fire. Start meditation over the element air. Air is the second principle in the evolution process of nature. Air is covering the whole earth all around as a shell up to 100 miles. Air is helping the survival of all living beings. We expand our mind and respect the value and greatness of the air. We become one with the energy of the air and get life link. We will know the secret of the air in the evolutionary process of nature. We will be protected by the air and from the air in all our activities, day and night, in all places. We will know the science of utilizing the air in better and beneficial ways. We do meditate over the element air. Start meditation over the element Akash, the energy particle. The energy particle is a tiny particle with self-rotating force filled in the whole universe as an ocean of energy. Only by the association of the particle, air, heat, liquid, solid, all are constituted. We expand our mind and respect the greatness and value of Akash, the energy particle. We become one with the energy and get life link. We will know the secret of the energy particle in the evolution process of nature. We will be protected by the energy and from the energy in all our activities day and night, in all places. We will know the art of utilizing the energy in better and beneficial ways. We do meditate over the element, the energy. We expand to the whole universal field and meditate over the energy particle, energy field. Akashic field, energy field, there are millions and millions of stars. Among them, one is the sun, in which all 9 planets are moving. Now we start meditation on the 9 planets of our solar system. First, we take the sun for our meditation. Sun is a huge ball of fire having nearly 2 million times greater in volume than the Earth. It rotates once in 25 days. It radiates orange rays, which will result in health, wealth, and happiness and all prosperities of life. We absorb the radiation of the sun and become one with it. Always the radiation of sun will be harmonious to our life. We do meditation over the planet sun. Start meditation over the planet. Mercury. Mercury is traveling around the sun 30 million miles away from the sun, completing one circle in 88 days. Mercury radiates green rays, which will result in health, happiness, and fame, all prosperities of life. We absorb the radiation of Mercury and become one with it. Always the radiation of the Mercury will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate on the planet Mercury. We start meditation over the planet Venus. Venus is traveling around the sun beyond 60 million miles away from the sun. Venus completes one circle in 225 days. Venus radiates white rays, which will result in happiness, fame, all prosperities of life. We do meditation over the planet. We start meditation over the planet Moon. Moon is completing one circle in 29 days, traveling 230,000 miles away from the Earth, whereas Earth is encircling the Sun 90 million miles away, completing one circle in 365 days. Moon radiates white rays, which will result in blood circulation, longevity of life, all prosperities. We absorb the radiation of Moon and become one with it. Always the radiation of Moon will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate over the planet Moon. We start meditation over the planet Mars. Mars is traveling around the sun beyond 140 million miles away, completing one circle in 18 months. Mars radiates red rays which will result in courage, intuitive knowledge, inventious attitude, and all prosperities of life. We absorb the radiation of Mars and become one with it. Always the radiation of Mars will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate over the planet Mars. We start meditation over the planet Jupiter. Jupiter travels around the sun beyond 480 million miles away. Jupiter completes one circle in 12 years. Jupiter radiates golden rays which will result in health, wealth, happiness, and all prosperities of life. We absorb the radiation of Jupiter and become one with it. Always the radiation of Jupiter will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate over the planet Jupiter. We start meditation over the planet Saturn. Saturn is traveling around the sun beyond 880 million miles away. Saturn completes one circle in 30 years. Saturn radiates grey rays which will result in longevity of life and all prosperities. We observe the radiation of Saturn, become one with it. Always the radiation of Saturn will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate over the planet Saturn. start meditation over the powerful magnetic lines Rahu and Ketu, North Node and South Node. In the middle of the sun, by the congestion and atomic fission, the nucleus stops functioning. When the energy stops functioning, that becomes static state, black. That is the black spot. When it increases in volume, that cannot stay in the middle of the sun. So it comes to both the sides and travels through the universe and reach the end absolute space. So the black hole starting from the middle of the sun, extending both the sides and reaching the absolute. They both are called Rahu and Ketu, the powerful magnetic lines. Rahu and Ketu radiates black rays, which will result in spiritual knowledge and all prosperities of life. We absorb the radiation of Rahu and Ketu and become one with them. Always the radiation of Rahu and Ketu will be harmonious to our life. We do meditate over the powerful magnetic line black holes, Rahu and Ketu. The solar system is with the 9 planets. There's similar solar system in the universe. Millions and millions of stars. Every star is a solar system. So around the sun, there are millions and millions of stars. All are classified into 12 zodiac houses. We are getting radiations from all the groups. All the radiations may be harmonious to our life. Let us expand all around the universal field, beyond the solar, that is zodiac houses, and reach the absolute, that is the truth, that is Almighty. Very same truth, absolute space exists in the whole universe, in between two particles and within the middle of the particle. The very same absolute exists within us fully. On it, the life energy is flowing, the air is moving, heat is penetrating, liquid in the shape of blood circulating, the solid, all the cells are becoming a construction of the body. So within us, solid, liquid, heat, air, energy, and absolute space, which is working, functioning as consciousness. We realize the greatness of our own self, the potential of our own self. We respect every living being and every man as the same. We will do our services to mankind, not inflicting pain, and always being ready to help others. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, prosperity, wisdom and peace. Bless your life partner. Bless your sons and daughters. Bless your sisters and brothers. Bless your important friends. Bless your bosses and assistants. Bless the miscreant or enemy too, if any. The whole world may enjoy prosperity, happiness and peace. The whole world may enjoy prosperity, happiness and peace. The rain may pour on all parts of the world timely and sufficiently. Food grains may grow abundantly to the satisfaction of all living beings. The leaders of all nations may progress in spiritual knowledge and do good services to humanity. The whole world may enjoy prosperity, happiness and peace. Oh.